Welcome to Hallie's Creations, where Hallie makes fun, easy tutorials and invites you to follow along. Today's video, how to make a beaded necklace and bracelet with a toggle. If you're enjoying Hallie's Creations, you can say thank you by subscribing and setting your notify. That way you won't miss out on new tutorials and live shares. Now here's Hallie.
Today we're making a really fun little project, super easy peasy. It's only going to be like a 3-minute video, if even at that. So we're going to jump right into it. Here I'm showing you the freshwater pearls that I picked up at Michael's, and then I'm also using the natural stones that I also picked up at Michael's, and you can find them at pretty much any jewelry store, hobby store, or whatever. So here I'm just showing you how I have it strung already, laid out on the little board. So you want to measure your wrist, make it just a little bit bigger because when you're tying it off and all that. So we have the barrel that looks like a little tube that we're going to use for a to crimp it down, and we're going to run the wire through that, through the toggle, and then back through the barrel. So it's going to go through the barrel, through your toggle, and back through the barrel. And then we're going to leave a nice length of the wire for when we crimp it down, we can get a good crimp on it. So see how I'm showing you there, how the barrel's there, ta-da! And now we're going to take and use the crimping tool and just give it a good little squeeze. And here I'm going to show you, just so you can see. You want to do it on the back teeth. Once you do that, then you're going to run that extra wire through a couple of your beads just to give it that little bit of forgiveness. That's a good word, because if your wire does get tugged or whatever over time, you don't want it pulling straight out. So I always run a couple of beads with my wire, and then I trim it down. So here I'm showing you how I'm just going to put a couple of those freshwater pearls. Then you're going to use your little wire cutters on the flat side of it to get super tight and clip it off. Bam! And we're going to do that again on the other end of the bracelet. We're going to trim it, crimp it, and you're done. It's that easy. So what you do is you just lay everything out on your board and get it the length you want. Usually 7 inches is for a bracelet, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little share. There's more video shares on my channel for jewelry and such, so just check out that playlist, and for all other kinds of crafts and painting and artistry and things of that nature. So until next time, thanks for hanging out with me. Have a good one, and peace out. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Bye. That was fast, huh?